everyone, welcome back to this channel. So far so good. Today we are going to understand the concepts of using I am trying by adding a verb. Before we start, I want to introduce myself. I know I'm very famous and you know about me, but let me introduce for the new viewers and the subscribers. So my name is Kajal Singh, and if you really want to know about me, go through with my channel where you will find some tutorials, blogs and some grammatical messages and the lessons. So please go through with that. If you find it useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and of course you can pass your suggestions by adding your comment in the comment box. That is always free for you all. Let's continue with the lesson which we have. I am trying inform someone that you are attempting to accomplish something using your bodily, mental and spiritual strength. By adding the word to I am trying, you are pointing out exactly what it is you are trying to do or attempt. So let's understand with a few amazing examples, and here we go. Number 1, I'm trying to call my parents. Number 2, I'm trying to talk to my family members. Number 3, I'm trying to educate myself. Number 4, I'm trying different food. Number 5, I'm trying to understand the lesson. Next, I'm trying to explain myself. Another can be I'm trying to get a job. I'm trying to eat healthy. I'm trying to understand you. So there can be several examples by using I am trying plus verb. You will understand better if you frame a few examples and you can share in the comment box, where I will pin to the best example under my comment box. So let us see who gets and grab this opportunity. You may also hear the word trying used to express a way you are feeling. In this manner, it expresses the strain or distress. Let us understand this concept as well with the help of 2 examples. Learning new things can be trying on you. Number 2, the marathon was very trying on me. So today we understood the concept of I am trying by adding a few words. If you really like this video, then please go and just like it. If you dislike, that is also okay with me. That would be considered by me as a feedback. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll come soon with my another content. Meanwhile, keep watching, keep missing and keep liking my video. Thank you.